Hickson guarded by Love.
Rubio and Brewer will gamble on steals.
Hickson hasn't shot beat Dallas. So big game tonight. In terms of confidence, in terms of standings, Buttinger casts off. And he nails the three.
Just
Here because of a knee injury. He's on the comeback trail. Hickson loses it, and Turioff credited with the steal.
third turnover already for Denver.
Rubio with the lay-in.
Opportunity.
Great hustle by J.J. Hickson. Charging. Love takes the charge.
Not.
Backhand lay-in good by Love. Buttinger off the glass. And the tip-in is good.
Two off.
And the T-Wolves had it. Corey Brewer from the corner. That's good. That's no good. Now Rubio. And Buttinger fires a three. And hits.
Minnesota is just
3 of 4 from beyond the arc. They need to get going right now, or this is going to be one big-time blowout.
Well, you got Turioff going for the shot block, affects it. The Turioff's man needs to be in front of the rim, tapping that in.
Ricky Rubio, straight points. And hopefully on the comeback trail. Cross it over to Love. Falling out of bounds, nails it. 36.5%, which is outstanding for a big guy. Hamilton bounced to Arthur, tries to dunk, no. Hickson rejected by Turioff. Yeah, to the center, the more points you get.
Yeah.
And you can rush along the way. Turioff has the dunk.
Denver needs to tighten up defensively here for about 3 or 4 possessions, and they give a layup. In every team
in university where you can earn your bachelor's or master's degree. By now at csUglobal.edu. Love can't shoot. Down goes Hamilton. Brewer with the layup.
Playing the best perimeter defender.
Love no, and Cunningham fights and comes up with a rebound. That's a good move.
Yeah, but it's
higher up. Love. And Love nails it in transition. An unscoring team. They're 4th best in the league, 105.5. As Barea wedges his way, rebounds. Barea. And Barea hits the triple.
And really no one getting on the offensive glass.
And Barea again.
I think it's silly the NBA has turned that into a rule.
Corey Brewer hook shot is good. Here in the period, the Timberwolves. Mozgov shot is off, and Brewer takes about 8 steps. And
first basket of the night.
It is on 4 shots. Brewer and Corey Brewer for the 2-point shot straight out of bounds. Here comes Love.
Just the one time you don't. But you got Minnesota shooting over 57%.
Yep.
So
Buttinger, and he knocks down the 3 assists in that first half. Also had 4 turnovers. There goes Buttinger, give it to Brewer, and Brewer throws it down. Love. And Love shooting well. Be interesting to see where they end up. Love will fade away. That's good. Love. And another 3.
Now there's certain guys you don't swim in to find out. And yeah, I can't give you the answer. And to be honest with you, that's part of the problem. Even Wagner showed the Foy thing, he just puts the ball above his hands. Well, the defense not doing anything special. They're doing what they do.
Dante Cunningham not
gotta quit batting.
Wide open is Barea. And he hits the 3. And the steal. Foy with a nice drive, couldn't finish. Brewer's got 4 steals. Couldn't put that one in. And another takeaway by Minnesota. Got to be more careful. 29.
But 21 difference.
Yeah. Here's Shabazz Muhammad. Kid's got some skills. He's had 6 games of 16 or more this season. But as most young players, he's been inconsistent. As Muhammad rolls one in. He'll come in and light it up if he can. And Price lays it in. Fournier, nice drive. Unfortunately, there to meet him. The Nuggets are going to finish 0-4 on the road trip. The loss drops them to 24-27 overall.